Okay, here we are at our vineyard of organic vineyard of Cabernet Franc, and from Cabernet Franc we produce this red wine, aged wine, Sensvs. 65% of Cabernet Franc, and the rest is syrah. We make a long skin maceration with these grapes, and then we put around 18-20 months in a French oak barrel to make the first aging. And after these 18 months, we put the wine inside the bottle to make the second step of the aging inside the bottle during 3 years. The current vintage of Sensvs is 2019, and it's strong, but at the same time is light. The flavors and the taste is of mint, forest, pine, all these kind of herbs flavors. And you can pair with some meat, also some starters like cheese or ham, and grilled meat and some meat with sauce. I think would be perfect.